Hey guys, so as promised, here is I'm going to show you kind of how to work through the pre-algebra in Khan Academy if you're just getting started with it and don't really know what your first step should be. I found a Word document that they had on Khan Academy that kind of gives a suggestion for how to start with one of their courses. And what they suggest starting with is what they call the course challenge. Okay, so if you will go to your pre-algebra class on Khan, and if you will come all the way down over on the left side, you will see course challenge. If you click on it, it'll come up here and it'll say start course challenge. Mine says resume because I was working a few of the problems earlier just to kind of see how it worked. There are, in the course challenge, 30 questions. They say to allow about 30 to 45 minutes for it. I challenge each of you to get at least one of these course challenges done today. That would be 45 minutes of working for you, and you all can do that. So with the course challenge, like I said, it's 30 questions. So for instance, 4 to the third power, we know that a power means you multiply that number by itself that many times. So 4 times 4 is 16, times 16 times 4 is 64, and 6 to the second power, 6 times 6 is 36. So 4 to the third power is more than 6 to the second power, right? So you just click that, move on to the next question. Is this number divisible by 5? Well, it ends in the number 4, and we know for a number to be divisible by 5, it has to end in either 5 or 0, so the answer would be no. So you're going to do that. You're going to work through the 30 questions. You're going to see how you do on it. On this Word document, it says that if you do really well the first time you do it, 70% or better, they suggest taking it again and possibly even a third time, because what happens, that's just a really fast way for you to earn mastery points and it to show what you really need to work on and what you don't need to work on as much. Okay, so once you've taken that course challenge either 1, 2, or 3 times, depending on how you do on it, the second step they say is to start with the first unit in the course. So if you pull up pre-algebra, the first unit in the course is this arithmetic properties. So you would go there and it will tell you things that you've mastered. If it says you're mastered or proficient in it, don't worry about it so much. But if it's saying you need to work on it, you need to practice, for instance, understanding multiplying by a multiple of 10, 100, or 1,000, you need practice on that. Over here, there are videos that can help you understand a concept if you try to practice one and you're just not really understanding why something is what it is. Also on the practice, when you have a problem, if you don't get it right, there's usually in the bottom right-hand corner a link that'll say watch a video. So you're just going to work through this unit until this up here says that you have mastered this unit. At that point, what you will do is you will move on to the factors and multiples unit, and you will just work through the course that way. So I hope that helps y'all kind of get started. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Remind, or if you have a way of contacting Miss Wheeler, you can contact her. She can help you. You can message us on our Google Classroom if you have access to that. But just please be working, keep moving forward. We want this to be a time where y'all actually make some advancements and it doesn't hold you back any. If you have any questions, let us know. We will talk to you soon.